Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Windows 10 bootable USB drive. To make Windows 10 bootable USB drive, you need three things. First, Windows 10 ISO image. I have separate video how to make Windows 10 ISO image. And number two, you need universal USB installer. And number three, you need a pen drive. Make sure your pen drive is plugged into your PC, and we'll format our pen drive. Make it clear. Click OK, close. How to format? Right click, press format, then start. And I'll show you how to download universal USB installer. Open your Google Chrome, go to google.com, search here universal USB installer. Open the website from www.pendrivelinux.com. The first one. I will post this web link down below my video. You can access easily. You can download the application from here. Download UUI. Click on here. Once you click, you can see the application already downloaded. And open the location. The same application I previously already downloaded, so I will not use this one, so I will use this one. Open the application, click and agree, and you have three steps. Step number one, select the Windows installer, go to down, Windows 10 installer, yes, and you can see here Windows 8 installer, 7 installer. So if you need to make Windows 7 bootable drive, you can download Windows 7 ISO image. You can select Windows 7 installer. If you want Windows 8 USB drive, bootable USB drive, you can download Windows 8 here, and you can select this one. Now we are going to use Windows 10, so I'm going to select Windows 10. Select the ISO image location here. Click the browse. Go to desktop, because my image is located on desktop, and this is the image. Same thing, select from here and select the USB drive, the same USB drive, you have to select, so the same USB drive, and click on create. And yes, wait a moment till the installation complete. Once the installation complete, you may start to use your Windows 10 USB drive. Okay, now the installer has been completed. It's closed. Now you can go to your pen drive, this PC. On your pen drive, you can see the installer has installed all the files of the Windows 10. Now you can start use the USB drive.